Today's video is, as you can see from the title, we're doing another part to the Canon EOS R6. But the difference is we'll be testing out the Canon 35mm RF lens. Before I get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and give this video a like, and make sure you ring the bell so you get notifications for each time I post. Let's jump into it. We're gonna go ahead and test out the 35mm RF lens for the Canon EOS R6 camera body. This lens came from Macro. Now, I always say if you're gonna go ahead and buy anything to add on to your camera, make sure you're checking out Macro, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace to see if there's anyone selling it for a cheaper price. Fortunately for me, I was able to find someone selling this lens for a cheaper price on Macro. It was from I think it's from an actual camera company, like someone that probably gets old camera lenses or whatever and resells them, fix them, I'm not sure. But he was selling it for a cheaper price. He said it only been used one time, still had the box and everything. So I went ahead and bought it. I got it today, so let's go ahead and open it up. This lens came from Texas. He packaged it really well. It came in that box, and to make sure it came perfect with no issues, it's packaged very well. So I appreciate things like this. So essentially, this is what it would come in the original box. Again, it's the RF 35mm f1.8 macro image stabilizer STM lens. That is long. Y'all need to, make these titles shorter. So he has it wrapped up again, just to make sure and ensure that it got to me safely. And again, the wrap, and wow. Comparing all these other lenses, like, I know a lot of people use the 50mm lens, but from what I can remember, the 50mm lens, the Nifty 50, it's plastic, but this is nice. This is really nice. I love that it has image stabilizer on, so it's great for videos. And I'll be using this for both videos and pictures. At the end, I'll show you guys some sample pictures so you guys can have an idea as to how some of the images look. Again, it's gonna be straight. I haven't, if you guys know, if you watched all my other videos, I have not really played with the settings yet. So when I do use this, keep in mind, I have not set anything other than changing it from JPEG to RAW. So let's go ahead and see if it fits, which I'm pretty sure it does. I had a mount adapter on here because I had the 18 to 35mm lens on here and it didn't fit. I forget what kind of lens it is, but yeah, it didn't fit. So I ended up buying a mount adapter, and it does fit with the mount adapter. So if you're looking into getting that 18 to 35mm Sigma lens, just go ahead and get it and get you an adapter with it too. So it looks great. Looks like they haven't used this at all. Like, no scratches on this at all. So he was right, it was only used once. And yeah, and we're gonna plop it on. And it fits. I love a camera where I don't have to go and buy a mount adapter. It gives me so much peace of mind that I don't have to buy a mount adapter. This is how it looks with it on. Oh, this is so nice. This just, you know what I'm saying? This looks great. So if you're looking into getting it, I don't want to say go and get it, because, like, again, I haven't really used the camera to tell you, like, go and get it. So I'm gonna get off camera and I'm gonna go and prop this on this tripod and just take some quick selfies real quick to see how it looks with the current settings I have. But yeah, it looks great. Look at me. Do I look like a professional yet? What the heck? Oh, I gotta turn it on. Duh. Obviously, I don't look like a professional if I ain't turn it on. Nice. All right, I'll be back. So if you guys seen those images so far, I really am loving this, and this could be my go-to moving forward. I just have to go ahead and play around with like the white balance and all like different settings that I would normally do that I had already done with the M50. So with this, I don't know, like I feel like I'm about to switch up like my style of shooting with this, and yeah, I'm really excited for the future. I'm thinking of like possibly asking my sister sometime next weekend or the weekend after, or even my friends. I'm going to a baby shower. Like I may even just bring the camera and take some of their pictures, take some of her pictures, and bring the tripod so she has memories to look back on if she doesn't already have a photographer. 10 out of 10. Again, these were just random pictures that I could find in the house to take of. I don't have much around my neighborhood for me to go and walk and take pictures of. Quite honestly, it's really ugly outside, so there's a lot of bugs out there, and I really don't feel like dealing with that right now. So, and it's really like, it's hot, the humidity is horrible, so no, I'm not walking outside. But hopefully you guys enjoy what I was able to take pictures of in the house. But 10 out of 10, I really recommend this lens. I don't want to say I recommend this lens because I only used it a handful of times. I only used it one time. From the reviews, from the videos I've watched, from the amount of research that I did, this is by far one of the best lenses. I know like they have the 70 to 200. I ain't got that type of money. No, this is kind of like the nifty 50. It's obviously 2 times more than a nifty 50, but this is like if you're just starting off and you want like a lens that'll last you for a good long time, this seems to be the lens for you to get for sure. And any R series Canon will do the job. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited for me on this journey as I get back into it. If you guys would like to see some of my photos that I took with past cameras, like I know I started with the Canon Rebel T6. I started taking photos with that. I don't remember what lens I had. It had to have been the nifty 50. That was the only lens I could remember that I had. And then I switched over, God, I don't remember. But again, if you guys would like to see a video of all my photo shoots that I did for people, let me know down in the comments, and I'll make a video reacting to some of these photos. I feel like I did great. Even with some of the ones I still do have on my phone, like I got a lot of compliments on it. A lot of people really did enjoy those photos. Hopefully you guys do too, and hopefully I can't wait to see like what I can produce in the future. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this series. I am done. I'm not buying anything else. Your girl's broke now, so I'm gonna do my best to exhaust and use this camera until the wheels fall off. This is gonna be my baby. This is like my newborn baby right now, okay? She's not replacing this. I gotta give her a name. I'm gonna call her, since it's an R series, I feel like she has to have an R name, right? I'm gonna call her Raina. Raina's the first name. I was gonna go with Rebecca, but no. Rebecca's like played out. We're gonna do it Raina. Raina. So we got my first baby, and then we got Raina. I'm excited for our future together. We're gonna produce a lot of things. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Would you consider this a series? Because I didn't really tell you guys I was gonna have different parts to the video. Well, I'm gonna call it a series. I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Stay tuned for more videos from me. I am more consistent with posting now up until the baby comes, because we all know once a newborn comes, there's no more posting. But I will be taking pictures of her because I'm gonna be so obsessed. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.